You must have heard that one line, "Sokyo manda akhiye jijja mera ja." And when we found out we were having a girl, I was so happy to the point that I reached out to people I have not talked to in years, just to let them know, do you know I'm having a girl? I was so happy.
Did you get the same celebration from the people around you?
Any outrageous and silly comments, that don't make sense to us. Oh, Kuri, chalo koi nahi. That chalo koi nahi, it's so offensive.
It is.
What do you mean chalo koi nahi? And mostly women. It was women, who were supposed to be good role models to this girl who's about to be born in the family, women who she will grow up being attached to.
Why do you think it actually comes more from women?
Because I think they've internalized this while they were growing up, or the way they were treated. Instead of calling it out, instead of questioning it, they become a part of the system. And we hear this a lot too, that it's women who are the torch bearers of this patriarchy more.
Do you remember one or probably two remarks that still haunt you?
It hurts me, but I'm glad it happened before she was born. So it was just an instant, and again, very subtle. There were some other women in the family who were pregnant at the same time as me, and they were having a boy. This prayer ceremony very subtly suggested that the prayers are supposed to be for the pregnancies that are leading to a boy.
Oh my God.
And what hurts me the most is that in Sikhism, the whole point of our religion being established, our gurus established it to eliminate this gender disparity. You must have heard that one line, "Sokyo manda akhiye jijja mera jaan." If you read the whole verse, it explicitly, in detail, Babaji has written it down, like really literally written it down, that from a woman, this world exists. Everything. It's a woman who is carrying, bringing new generations into this realm.
Correct.
Right? Without her, there would be nothing.
Correct.
It's offensive to our faith. You're disrespecting a life just because it's a girl,
Yeah.
So
Tell me about your second child.
my second one is a boy. I clearly remember, and I read it was a boy. And this, a pahar of disappointment fell upon me.